Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure you meet core prerequisites: gear, health, and mobility. With about 12 charm notches, a few nail upgrades, and dash unlocked, you reduce trial and error deaths. Once ready, head to the Forgotten Crossroads and take the lower cavern's path toward the ruined underground area. This is where the encounter or vendor is available. Move deliberately, learn enemy patterns on the way, because the first actionable step is to clear the route and reach the chamber that contains the swift step opportunity. Once done clearing the route, take the middle sequence slowly. Study enemy timings and create a safe space to fight or search. Use your dash and spells to force enemies into predictable moves, then counterattack. This minimizes damage and conserves soul. Make sure to pick up any required key, mask shards, or geo along the way, because you may need them to unlock the final chamber or buy the charm. Move between cover points, and keep mobility high to avoid being cornered. After you reach the final chamber, either defeat the Guardian or interact with the vendor to obtain Swift Step. Once obtained, open your charm menu and equip it to active notches. You want to test movement immediately. Combine it with mobility charms for maximum effect. If you can't access the chamber, make sure you've collected the required keys or abilities, then return after upgrading your nail or health. As a troubleshooting tip, if you repeatedly fail the encounter, bench save, change charm loadout, and practice entry routes to reduce mistakes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.